Hi, I'm Anthony with the Eden Mandate LLC, restoring lives one home at a time. Welcome to Clover Lane. Check out that red door. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, located in Spring Garden Township, Suburban School District, York, Pennsylvania. Check out that little bathroom. Home boasts brand new appliances in this beautiful kitchen. Check out the modern chic colors on the wall. Backyard oasis, Brickyard Patio with beautiful backyard, plenty of space to do what you want to do. Home boasts hardwood floors throughout, brand new energy efficiency windows, great ceiling fans. Check out those stairs. The home really blends the old and new together very well. Check out those window benches and cedar closet. You don't see that very often, do you? Again, beautiful hardwood floors. Check out your newly refreshed bathroom, chair high 88 toilet, another nice sized room. Beautiful closet with another window bench. Here's your nursery or office or bonus room. Entering bedroom number 3. Again, beautiful hardwood floors. Window bench, yet again, overlook the neighborhood, and also an even bigger cedar closet. Don't see that very often at all. Again, beautiful home. Bought by the Eden Mandate LLC. Renovated by Four Squares Construction. Check out the red door on the way out. Clover Lane.